Welcome to dotcom builders. In this video, I will share with you how to change your website homepage in Hostinger website builder. First, it was the homepage, this one called home, and I turned it to be about. Then I will show you how to how to edit this navigation menu to start calling your new homepage with any word you like home or homepage. Without any further ado, let's start this tutorial. First, go to hpanel.hostinger.com, log into your Hostinger account and go to websites. Now, next to the website that you want to change the home page, page 4, click on Edit Website. This is my website in Hostinger Website Builder, and first let's give it a visit. This is the home page or the current home page, and to change it, it's simple. Just go to the website builder, go to pages, and here let's say I want to make this about page the home page. So I will select next to the page that I want to make as the home page, click on these three dots and select make home page. Close this window and don't forget to update your website to publish this new homepage change. Now that my website is updated, let's view my new homepage. And just like that, my first page of my website is this new page selected. And if I click on my website logo or refresh the domain, I will automatically land on this page. As you see here, the selected page is selected here by default. If you click back on home, you will return to the previous home page. How to fix this? It's simple. Just go back to the pages, or how to fix this issue, how to fix this navigation menu. Just go back here to the home page or to the page that you want, to the old home page that you want to hide. Grab it from here and move it below and drop it here below hidden from navigation. And then let's start, since this about page is the current home page. By the way, the current home page is always has this small house icon. So let's put it first in the navigation menu, update my website again. Now my website is updated. Let's view the new home navigation menu, and as you see, now the website shows the first page as the about, and this is my new home page. If you want to edit this page name here from about to home page, for example, it's simple. Same thing, click on pages, next to the home page, click on these three dots and select rename. Give it a new name, for example, home page. Save, update. Now click on view site. And as you see, the new home page is renamed to the desired name. And this is how to change your website homepage in Hostinger website builder. If you still have a question, leave it in the comments below, and don't forget to give this video a like. Thank you.